Climate change, obesity, biofuels, and clean water. What could they all possibly have in common? And what could that connection mean to the future of the planet? At Berkeley Lab, our scientists already know the surprising answer. It's microbes, and the tasks that these bacteria and fungi perform, from the tundra to the human gut, that make them the engines of life on Earth. Microbes in the soil naturally fertilize plants to make them healthy and then break them down as they decay. They take up poisons in the environment and neutralize them. They clean our water and even store carbon. They could be a key to our future energy supply. And by the way, they're also responsible for much of the oxygen in our atmosphere. In fact, microbes are so ancient, 3 billion years old, so numerous, they outnumber the stars in the universe, so diverse, there are thousands of species in a spoonful of soil, and so universal, they can be found inside every living thing, that there is virtually no place on Earth that they don't call home. Yet for all that we know, there is much more that we don't. How do communities of microbes communicate with each other? How do they cooperate? How are they reacting to hotter temperatures and drought conditions? The answers are more than idle curiosity. Berkeley Lab scientists want to predict how the activity of microbes will affect the health and vulnerability of our planet, and harness the power of microbes to produce drought-resistant crops, better biofuels, new ways to fertilize plants without polluting streams and lakes, and transform non-arable land in ways that capture more carbon from the atmosphere. And if that weren't enough, understanding microbes in the soil may allow us to discover new techniques for producing drugs such as antibiotics, or take what we learn about microbes in the gut to protect ourselves from disease and reduce the incidence of asthma and obesity. It won't be easy. That's why Berkeley Lab has mobilized experts in earth and environmental sciences, microbiology, genomics, systems biology, nanoscience, and supercomputing. They'll be using big science tools like the X-ray images from the Advanced Light Source, the data crunching and pattern finding power of our speedy supercomputers, and the precision micro techniques of the molecular Foundry to explore, experiment, and engineer. It's ambitious and it's urgent. The Earth's environment has already been stressed by global climate change and overpopulation. We can't change the past, but when it comes to generating energy, producing food, and managing our water, we can protect the future. And learning more about the planet's tiniest organisms could be the giant breakthrough that turns a present danger into a lasting defense.